Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Bandai, which came from the side story of Mobile Suit Gundam Universal Century line. And finally, I got my hands on this kit after more than a year on finding or looking for this thing. At last, I got it from Shopee Philippines, and I only bought it for 2,600 pesos. Compared to the shops or stores that sell this kit at an overpriced status. And by the way, before we go with this model kit here, I must thank TT's. This one from Shopee. Yep, this is TT's for selling me this Sakamoto Days t-shirt that Mr. Sakamoto, or the main character from that anime, wear after retiring from being an assassin. And those were the days that he got married and retired from killing people. And yeah, I like this shirt since I'm also a temporarily retired nurse. So retired. Thank you very much. And his, yep, Sakamoto Days. You better watch this, guys. It's very funny, very action packed, and yep, this story will not make you boring. Yep, Sakamoto Days, very nice. Yep. So going back to the topic, I got here the master grade Gundam RX-78-5, or your Gundam G05, and yep, this is one of the Universal Century lines and variants of our beloved Granddaddy Gundam RX-78. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this old school master grade will offer us. Found los kits, yala. Box art here is none other than the typical box art from the early master grade releases of Bandai, and this is released in the year 2003. Yep, this made in Japan from Bandai, and we got here the red Bandai logo. So this is the old box version. Yep, and you can see any Bandai Namco logo here. So this is an old box kit. There we can see this RX-78-5, or the G05, wielding his signature gun here, which is the Gatling gun. Same with the Gundam Heavy Arms, and yep, it's very nice. I like the color scheme of this kit. It's white, red, yellow, and some gray accents for the inner frame parts and for the weapon itself. And inside of the box here, we can see the front view and the rear view of the Gundam RX-78-5 there, without the armor or the extra shoulder armors and add-ons on the kit. And by the way, the add-ons, I think for this kit, is only the shoulder armor, by the way. And there we can see the shield here can collapse, or what do you call this, adjust into a little size or big size. And there we got this Gatling gun here with some ammo drum and ammo or bullet chains there. We got here the rifle and the beam saber. We got two beam saber effect parts as well. Then the inner frame here, we got this gray parts and yep, yellow parts here, and this one for the thigh, and I don't know, it's for the leg and for the forearm. On the other side of the box here, we can see the front view and rear view together with the equipped shoulder armor, and there we got this Gatling gun being attached at the back of the kit, and also for this booster packs there. You can see there we got this white part on the booster, but here it doesn't have any. So this is the simpler version, and this is the full armor version, something like that. And there we can see this Gundam G05 wielding his signature weapon, which is the Gatling gun. And yep, we got the markings here also for the stallion or the horse there, which looks like a Dallas Mavericks logo. Okay, so much for that. We got inner frame there, and so we go to opening the box, and yep, we can see this cardboard here, or this very rampant style of master grade old model kits from the early 2000s, where they include this kind of big cardboard for the Gundam, where we can see the finished product there. And I'm saving this kind of cardboards for memento on the kits that I bought. Okay, so we got here the instruction manual for the Gundam G05. Yes, we can see the stallion here, which again looks like a Dallas Mavericks logo. There we can see the Japanese text here for explanations, and yep, unfortunately I cannot read this Japanese text. And got the parts list here and the assembling process for this kit. And by the way, I already assembled the G04, which has the similar frame for this kit as well. The only difference is the Gatling gun signature weapon and the color scheme, where the G04 is blue and this one is red. So there's nothing hard parts, or what I mean is complicated building process for this kit, since they are exactly the same with Gundam G04. Okay, and there, this is an easy kit to build. Even a beginner can build this kit. And as much as I remember, I built the G04 about 2 hours, and maybe I can build this within that time frame as well. Okay, so there, this very simple instruction manual, simple building process for the kit. So we got the first pack here for the yellow parts with white parts and red parts, and also the chain, or this guided wire thing here for the ammo connection. There we got red parts here and polycap parts for the connection pieces, like that. And we got here white parts again for the armor pieces, and for the shield we got here small parts for the guns. And yeah, we got the stickers, and I think this one dry transfer deagles or water slide. I think dry transfer. This one foil stickers, and this one are for the clear stickers. Got this for the gun parts. And we got here gray parts for the inner frame parts. And there, gray parts again for these Gatling guns. And the very tedious thing to build here is this, they call this the bullet chain for the Gatling gun. And then we got here white parts again with some screw. Yeah, we got 2 screws here for this kit, but believe me, you will not use this screw, and there's nothing wrong with that, because this screw is just for the show. And even if you don't apply this screw, the kit will be the same, as I said. Okay, so I will not use this screw. This is just for the show. And finally, we got this gray parts here for the inner frame, and clear pink parts for the beam saber effect parts. And as you know me, guys, I always sniff or love to sniff all the old school master grade model kits because this has the scent of 90s vibe. So let's check this out. Whew, very nice. The plastic smells so nice and so nostalgic, like the feel of the 90s era since I was born during the 90s. Whew. As always, let's have a quick review for these runners here before we build the kit. And we got here multicolored runners for the red parts, yellow parts, clear part, and white parts here. And this is your runner A. And we got here white parts for armor pieces, and we got here runner D2 and another runner D1. So this is runner D1 and this is runner D2, and we got this gray parts here, light gray parts for the rifle, and this is your runner G. We got red parts here for the shield, and for the feet we got here runner B1. We got here runner C for the inner frame parts, and this is a light gray color. We got white parts here for the guns. I think this one for the Gatling gun, and we got the pilot figure here standing and sitting inside the cockpit, and we got here runner E. Gray parts for the inner frame parts. We got here runner F, and we can see here the articulated hands, which I like from this kit because much like model kit that have this articulated hands. Then we got polycaps here, which is very rampant on the early 2000s and late 90s releases for Bandai models. And we got this bullet chain, and this is the plastic part, and this one for the wire, guided wire for the bullet chain. And there, just slip like this, something like that. Okay, and connect them all into this wired thing here. And then we got the gray parts for the Gatling gun parts, and red parts for the armor pieces. And of course we got here this beam saber effect parts, this clear paint here. Then also, before I forgot, we got here sticker for the kit. We got here the foil stickers, dry transfer decals, and clear sided stickers like this one. Okay, so nothing much with this kit, and I'm very glad that this kit doesn't have that color correcting parts or color correcting stickers for some parts. And we got very small one here for the eyes, camera lenses, and this gray parts. I think this one for the ankle ankle armor or the forefoot armor, something like that. Anyway, thank you very much, or thank you so much guys for watching this unboxing review of the RX-78-5 Gundam G05 from the side story of the Universal Century line of Gundam. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless, take care. Auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. God bless, goodbye, good night.